Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video here at Daring Beefcake. I have this Volvo key. This particular Volvo key fob belongs to an XC70 2007, but this key is pretty much the same key used all across the years until now, I think 2024. I have seen this in 2019 cars and whatnot. Anyway, I'm looking to change the battery inside, so I'm just going to show you how to get to this point here, where you can change the battery. And the battery in there, by the way, is a CR2430 if you want to prepare yourself. 2430. So I'm going to put this back together and I'll show you how to get to this point. The reason I wanted to show you this is because this whole piece, this whole section comes out of here. It's not just the cover. It's not just a little cover. It's actually the whole chunk. So to get access to this and change the battery, first the key, get the key out. So you just flick that little thing there, take that out, and then the best way I found to do this is if you get a very small screwdriver and put it in here, then you can push this part out a little bit there. You can see it's sort of popping out, and then you will also see there a little gap opening in here. But that's because this whole piece inside is one piece, as we saw earlier. So if you had a really skinny flathead screwdriver, you then just put it in there. This thing that I have is not exactly a flathead screwdriver, so a small flathead would be better. So I just got my nail in there to hold it, but you can then put that in there and start bringing this section out. And with that section out, you're pretty much inside of the remote. And one little thing, this may pop out, come out, jump out, so just be aware of it. Just put it back in. It's like a little spring, and that's where the battery is. So you can then obviously remove it, get the new one in. As we already mentioned, this is a 2430. So I don't actually have one. That's why I'm kind of mind handling this one. Ideally, you don't want to put your fingerprints all over the battery, because it can cause, apparently it can cause issues of resistance and whatnot. So if you use gloves, or clean the battery before you fit it in the back and in the front, and then we can refit it. And just make sure that little clip there doesn't get damaged or bent or anything like that. And there we are. Push that back in. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask, and I will try to reply if I know the answer. I will also reply if I don't know the answer, saying that I don't know. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.